Governor Alex Otti have flagged off the reconstruction of 200 primary health care centers in Abia State. Not just the reconstruction of these primary health care centers, there's a timeline. It must be completed in 100 days. 200 primary health care centers reconstruction in 100 days. So, and he wants to continue this way until he completes the 948 primary health care centers in Abia State. So he's moving badge by badge. This first batch, 200 permanent healthcare centers, have been flagged off today. And when it's being completed in 100 days, another 200 will be flagged off until he gets to the 948 primary healthcare centers in Abia State. He wants to cover all. He's renovating everything from the building to the hospital equipment, everything entirely. He said that these primary health care centers is the number one health center in every community. For the poor, the rich, that is the first emergency place anybody can go to in all these communities in Abia State. So they have to be in order. Some of these primary health care centers in Abia State, when you go there, is locked up. There is nobody there. And when you see somebody, maybe just one midwife that will be there in charge of child delivery, injection, everything, just one person. And the drugs there, some of the drugs there are expired. The governor said that cannot continue in Abia State. He doesn't want people dying prematurely because they don't have access to good medical health care. Also, the governor have received the revived medical team from Belgium. He said that the work they did in Abia State last year, the feedback was much. Because at a point last year, the governor was paying for different types of surgery for some of the people that they ran consultation on. So they have to, call on the government to support them because things were getting out of hand. A lot of people were sick. So the governor invited them again this time around, and they are currently in Abia State. So if you have your family members that are currently sick or have some surgeries to carry out, they should put their ears on ground to know when these people start moving around and how they will be moving around, because everything that is going to happen with this medical team from Belgium will be free. They are an NGO organization, and if there is a medical issue that is kind of much they cannot handle, the governor has promised to support them. So I know that this time around, the governor will also be paying for so many medical surgeries to so many Abia indigents. So tell your family members that you keep their ears on ground, and I also bring you the updates. They'll be doing thousands of consultations, thousands of laboratory tests. A lot of people are just taking drugs. They don't even know what is wrong with them. So they will be doing thorough medical analysis on all these people. And the most important thing is that it's free. This is the way that the governor wants to help out those that are poor in Abia State, those that cannot access good medical health care, those that cannot pay for it. The governor is ready to pay. They will be doing a lot of surgeries, hernia, goiter, a lot of things will be handled this time around, and they are currently now in Abia State. Also, the governor have promised to eradicate, do I call it tribalism, in Abia State. He said there is nothing like you are an indigene or you're not an indigene of Abia State. As long as you're living in Abia State, you're paying your tax, you're doing what you're supposed to do. You have rights in Abia State. There is nothing that you should have access to as someone that is living in Abia State that will be taken away from you because you're not an indigene. He said he cannot tolerate that in Abia State. It have to stop. Everybody in Abia State, that his administration is carrying everyone along. Whether you're Hausa, Yoruba, he doesn't care. Whether you come from other states in the southeast and you're staying in Abia State, he doesn't care. As long as you are abiding by the rules and regulations that is governing Abia State, you are entitled to anything. And he also cited an example with what he did with the head of service, Mr. Ojikere. He never knew he came from Edo State. It was just based on merit. And when they started saying that he's from Edo State, he didn't care. All he wants is someone that can do the job, someone that is qualified for the job. It's all about merit. So he doesn't care where you came from. So that's why when they were saying he should take someone from Abia State, he was like, no, this man merited this. He can do the job. It's all about merit. That's what he cares for. And you know that Governor Alex Otti is also someone that is big on God. He doesn't believe in cheating anybody. That's why he's delivering this kind of governance in Abia State. It's just who he is. It has nothing to do with politics. This is just his character as a man. And that is what he's doing in Abia State. Honestly, God have really blessed Abia State with Governor Alex Otti. Also, the former Speaker of the Abia State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Njoko, have defected to APC. This man used to be the Abia State Speaker of the House of Assembly until PDP said he should step down for Right Honorable Chinedu, the son of the former governor of Abia State. I know that all these things, some of them have some grudges that they have been, handling all this while. They don't even know how to talk about it. Now he's no longer in PDP, and he thanked PDP for all they have done for him, and he wished them luck in the future. But now that he's joining APC, that he's now a member of APC in Abia State. Honestly, Abia State election in 2027 is going to be a history. Don't even be surprised when you hear that all the former leaders in Abia State, that none of them got any position in Abia State. It will 2027. Just watch out of what will happen in Abia State.